Okay, so in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to find the planting zone that you're in. So if you don't yet know, you're going to go to the planthardiness.ars.usda.gov and you will type in your zip code. So I'm just going to use mine for this example. Oops. So once you type in your zip code, it will show up the area where you live, and then it's color coded. So if you look in the zone map on the side, it will show by color what zone you are. So I am this lighter shade of orange, which is 9B. And so if you aren't sure yet what zone you are, just type in your zip code and it will show you what zone you are. And then you can use that information later on as you're buying certain plants. And one thing to keep in mind is that planting zones are not really that important for annuals because they just last for one season anyways. But if you're going to be planting perennials or trees or anything that lasts for longer than a season, it's important to make sure that it is hardy to your zone so that it can survive your winter. And so I have an example I'm going to show you real quick. I pulled up a lime tree from this nursery online, and I just wanted to show you how the zones would work. So for example, I'm zone 9. And so I can see right here that it can grow in zone 9 to 11. But if I were to grow this tree on a patio where it's protected from the frost and harsh weather, it's able to grow in zones 4 to 11. So that's really where knowing your zone comes in handy. When it comes to planting things like squash and cucumbers and broccoli, all of those things only last for one season. And so the zone doesn't matter, but you do need to plant according to the weather and based off of your first and last frost dates. So that will be in another video, but for now, that is how you find your zone.